Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make clouds in Blender. So we're going to start by clicking Shift plus A. We're going to add matte ball, and we can Control C and Control V to duplicate, and we can move this around. Basically we want to make something like a cloud. Okay, so we're going to select everything and click Control A and click Visual Geometry to Mesh. Now we're going to click Shift A and I'm going to add volume empty, and I'm going to click this volume empty, and we are going to add a modifier, a mesh to volume, and over here we're going to pick the object, and you can change this to, let's say, 150. I'm going to add another modifier, volume displays, and I'm going to click new to add a new texture. Over here we're going to select clouds, and we can we can play around with these numbers. I'm going to click viewport shading to see what we are doing, and we can change this however we want. Okay, you can do this in more details. Once we're done, we're going to click over here, and we are going to click color and environment texture. Now we want to put some HDR. We have, okay, and over here I'm gonna just hide matte balls, and already this looks like a cloud. In shader editor, we're gonna click on this HDR, and we're gonna click Control T, and we can tweak this a bit, this HDR, but basically you have something that looks like a cloud. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.